Namaskar class. Now in this slide we are going to discuss about some special days as we are doing celebration time. There are some special days also which we celebrate in school like Children's Day and Teachers Day. As we know that celebration are the joyous occasion, okay, and we celebrate with our family, with our friends, and we are celebrating with our relatives also, and we greet and exchange gifts with one another. Celebration bring family and friends together. There is lot of fun and enjoyment. Birthdays and wedding anniversaries are the family celebrations. But there are some special day which we celebrate in school like Children's Day and Teachers Day. So first we will discuss about Children's Day. So this day is celebrated as the birthday of Pandit Nehru on 14th of November every year, and he was our first prime minister, and he also loved children very much. That is why we celebrate Nehru ji birthday as Children Day. So one more special day which we are celebrating in school, that is Teachers Day. And on this day, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday celebrated as Teachers Day on 5th of September every year. And he was a very great teacher and he was our second president. So we are celebrating Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday as on 5th September as Teachers Day. Now I will show you the pictures of these person. The first picture you can see, this is Pandit Nehru ji, and next picture is of Sarvapalli Radha Krishnan ji. So this Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, we are celebrating his birthday on 14th of November, and we are celebrating Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday on 5th September as Teachers Day. Now next we are going to discuss about national flag. So as we know that national flag is also known as tricolor or tiranga, and it is having three colors. First is saffron, white and green, and there is a chakra or wheel in the center with 24 spokes. And as we know that saffron color stands for courage, white color stands for peace and purity, and green color stands for prosperity, and the wheel in the middle stands for justice. Now I will show you the significance of these colors. As you can see in this slide, that saffron color means courage, white color means purity and peace, green color means prosperity, and the wheel in the middle stands for justice. And in the there is a chakra or wheel inside center with 24 spokes, and this is also our national flag is also known as tricolor or tiranga. Now next we are going to discuss about the national symbols. There are some symbols. Now first is, as you can see, there is a national flower and national animal. So national flower is our lotus and national animal is tiger. After that there is a national bird. National bird is our peacock, and our national game is hockey. And in this picture you can see the national emblem and Indian currency symbol. National emblem you can see in the coins also. At the back of the coin you can see this symbol, national emblem, and in your rupees you can see this currency symbol. So now next is national anthem of India. As we know that our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, and we used to sing the national anthem when we celebrate our national festivals, and it is written by Rabindranath Tagore. And there is one more song. This is our national anthem of India, right? Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya Hai. This is our national anthem of India, and Vande Mataram is our national song. Now in this picture you can see that the picture of Rabindranath Tagore and Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Rabindranath Tagore has written our national anthem, and Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay, he has written national song, that is Vande Mataram. Thank you.